Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check an opportunity in which you will get the chance to work in the Singapore and friend you will also paid for it. You will get around 5,000 Singapore dollar and friend you will also get the accommodation. So we are going to check all the details, how you have to apply, what is the eligibility criteria and what types of things you will do here. And friend, so please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Nanyang Technological University Singapore, which is also known as the NTU Singapore. So friend, these universities are providing the fellowship program. And talking about this NTU University, you can see it has about 35,000 undergraduate and postgraduate students in the business, computing and data science, engineering, humanities, arts, and you can see social science, medicine, science, and you can see graduate colleges. So talking about the program, you can see here the program name is you can see here that is a Global Connect Fellowship. You can see here they have written and this program is open for all the students from the all over the world. So anyone can apply. And talking about this program, you can see here. So you can see Global Connect Fellowship is a prestigious and exciting opportunity for young scholars. You can see from the world in which you will get the chance to spend around 2 to 3 months under the research guidance of the faculties of the NTU University in the NTU campus. And you can also see here the Global Research Fellow. You will take a part in cutting edge research carried out at NTU Singapore. And you will get the chance to work with the most accomplished scientists which is are available related to the researching on the AI, material science, smart manufacturing. You can see digital economy, cyber security, machine learning, sustainability, 3D printing, then healthcare, fintech, humanities. You can see here also the social sciences and green finance leadership, and you can see many more are available. So you will get the chance to work on these topics. So under this research fellowship, you will increase your knowledge. You will also get this certificate, which you can use in your LinkedIn profile also, and also add in your resume, so that your profile becomes stronger. So talking about the program, you can see here also 2026 spring intake. You can see here, and all the bachelor, master students graduating in 2026 or the 2027 are eligible for Global Connect Fellowship Spring Program. And this program will start from the 1st February 2026 and the program will available for 2 months. So you will, means you have to live in Singapore for the 2 months. And the all applicants will be informed regarding their selection by the end of December 2025. And the eligibility, you can see either a bachelor or master students are required. Then graduating year, you should graduate in 2026 or the 2027. And the fellowship period will be 1st February 2026 to 31st March 2026. As I have told earlier that you will get the Singapore dollar of 5,000, which is a fellowship amount. And you can see one of the important thing that you will get the accommodation from the NTU University. And here you can also see, friend, that application is started. They are accepting the application, and the application period you can see 1st to 30 September 2025. So application is already started. You have to apply for as soon as possible. So for providing how you will apply, before that, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. It will motivate us to create a more and more content for you guys. So please subscribe Info Roshan. So you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box, and once you open, then you have to come to the bottom page. Then you can see here the application link. You have to simply click on that. Once you click, friend, then you will redirected to this page. Here you can see this page will come, and here you can see you have to provide your email ID. So please use your official email ID throughout the application, and this your selection or the result or the certificate which will be sent on this email ID. So please provide it properly. Then you have to select the drop down that you are the undergraduate students or graduate students. You have to select and you have to create your application number. Once your application number is created, then you have to click on this click here at the bottom to continue with your application. Then this type of page will appear here. So on the top, you will see here the application for a global connect fellowship, and here you can see the what types of information or the documents you need. You have to collect it or you have to prepare it so that you can fill the form as soon as possible. You can see you will take around 30 minutes to complete. So the first personal informations you can see, then academic qualification like college, university education, period of studies mean their certifications, then soft copy of your photo, then soft copy or latest official transcript in English, then soft copy of your passport, then any academic reference letter. It is not mandatory, but it is optional. So if you have, you can attach it. Then statement of purpose, and then 2 to 3 minutes video explaining your motivation to join Global Connect Fellowship program. So you have to record your 2 to 3 minutes of video in which you are explaining how you are motivated to join this Global Connect Fellowship program. So you have to provide it correctly. Then you can see, and after collecting this information, you have to again provide your application number and email which you generated earlier, and you have to log in and complete the application process. And friend, if you have any query or if you have any doubt regarding this Global Connect Fellowship program, please connect on the comment, and you will definitely answer your questions. And please subscribe Info Roshan. Thank you.